Out with it. Understanding a common English phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into the interesting world of English phrases. Specifically, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of out with it. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, this phrase is a fun addition to your English vocabulary. So, let's get started. Out with it is a phrase used to encourage or urge someone to speak up, especially when you believe they have something important or urgent to say. It's like saying, "Tell me what you're thinking," or "Say what you need to say." This phrase is often used in situations where someone seems hesitant or reluctant to speak. The phrase, "out with it," has been in use for several centuries. It's a direct and straightforward way of asking someone to express themselves. The word, out, in this context means to express or reveal, and, with it, refers to the thought or information that the person is holding back. 1. Encouraging honesty. Use it when you feel someone is withholding information or not being entirely honest. 2. Prompting details. When someone is telling a story but hesitates on important details, you can say, "out with it," to urge them to continue. 3. Light-hearted scenarios. It can be used humorously among friends, especially when you're eagerly waiting for them to share some news or gossip. In a meeting, you look like you have a suggestion for the project. "Come on, out with it." Among friends, "I can tell you're hiding something about your date last night." Out with it. In a movie scene, a detective might say to a witness, "You know more than you're letting on." Out with it. And that's all about the phrase, out with it. It's a simple yet expressive way to encourage someone to speak their mind. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.